Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rajpal, and in this video I'm going to share with you the third word from Dr. Shashi Tharoor's book, Tharoorosaurus. The first word was agathocapological, the second was apostrophe, and the third one is aptagram. So let's go with the popular pattern OutTech, vocabulary through PPT, and here comes the PPT. Aptagram. It's very interesting word. Aptagram, if we go by the meaning, it means the anagram leading to one more word. The anagram is a word or a phrase or a part of a sentence that is formed using the letters of another phrase or another word. So this way, it's an interesting linguistic game that you are taking one word, the letters of one word, and you are rearranging them to create another word. So that is anagram. So the anagram that incorporated the meaning of a word, and for example, she loved coining aptagrams as a hobby, chuckling as she transformed astronomer into moon starer. So there are two O's in astronomer, both being used after M. The letter M, that's the third last in astronomer. So using the third last M, using both O's, using N, letter N, that is only once in astronomer, the word moon is formed, and remaining words S, the second word, S, then T, then the first letter A, then R, and remaining ER. So there is no extra letter taken from outside. If we just count the letters in astronomer, there is one A, S, T, R, O, N, O, M, E, R. There are 10 letters. And in moon, M, O, O, N, 4, S, T, A, R, E, R. So 10 exhausted. So it is rearranging these 10 letters into two words, and the meaning is same. Astronomer, it's a related meaning. Astronomer and moon starer. See some other words. Engendered, enraged. Total 7 letters rearranged and enraged. The next word is dormitory, and dormitory is converted into dirty room. D-I-R-T-Y, room. The same pattern that I have explained without wasting your time. Just I'm giving you one more examples so that the concept is clear in your mind. Customers. See how aptagram is created of this word customer. Stores come. Some dirty thing in a store. Revolution. Equally interesting. Love to ruin. The evil eye. The evil eye. While they see, bad they see. Laudatory, praising. Adulatory, again praising. So the words rearranged and creating one more word. 9 thumbs. Thumb, you know, and 9 thumbs making punishment. So I hope you have enjoyed the explanation that was precise from my side. I believe that you must have enjoyed this discussion of aptagram, apostrophe, and agathocapological. If you are new on this channel, you can see these words, these first two words are Tharoorosaurus. This has been the third word. Don't forget. And if you even dare to forget, I would remind you, agathocapological, apostrophe, and aptagram. Learn and keep growing. Thank you.